Good morning, aloha. So right now we are going to head over to the Grand Wailea Resort and check out the pool area there. We have a cabana reserved today.
So we are going to go give you a tour of the pool area, including the slides and activity pool that they have there.
Let's go.
This is our cabana for the day. It's got 2 reclining lounge chairs, a giant day bed, a sitting chair. There is a cabinet. We've put our stuff on top of it already. 2 empty drawers up on the top. And then inside there is a refrigerator and a safe. Inside of the refrigerator there are some bottles of water and a nice little fruit tray. We also have a fan up on the top, and we are steps away from the beach and ocean, so it is beautiful here. And we are also just a few steps away from the kids beach pool area. So right behind us is our cabana, and let's show you a tour of the pool facility. So right next to the cabana over here is the baby beach area with a sand entry area.
This is a perfect pool if you just want to spend time and maybe relax, because sometimes there's barely any people.
Past the baby beach entry pool, there's a handful of bridges. You can see that there is a lazy river we are walking over right now. And then right ahead, this is the Tarzan pool with a fancy rope swing you can jump off of and go into the water. More bridges over here. Let's show you where you pick up your towels and anything you may have forgotten for the pool area. Here's more of the lazy river, and then in that little cave there, let's walk down the bridge here. So we'll show you that a little closer in a bit. But there is actually a whirlpool hot tub in that corner of the cave that is nice and relaxing, and kind of cool that it's secluded from everything else, but still kind of within the pool area itself. Back over here, this is the bar where you can order food and drinks. Across this bridge, straight ahead, that is where you pick up your towels, get your wristband for the resort. And to the right of that is where you can find anything you may have forgotten, pool toys, sunscreen, things like that. There's a giant pool over here with a volleyball net and people just lounging around. There are 2 water slides that end here, and to get up to them you go up the stairs to the far left there, and then you can pick which water slide you want to go down. In the middle, that silver door is the world famous water elevator, which is the first and I believe it's the only one in the world. It is currently closed for renovations. Sounds like they're waiting on a part, but we will show you these 2 big water slides in a bit. Let's keep going along on our tour and show you the rest of the pool area. We're gonna keep on walking, and we're gonna go up to the top of the pool complex. So we're gonna go through the cave over here, and it's pretty cool the way they have this set up. So if you come this way, there is you can see here's the steps that take you to that whirlpool over there, but you have to go through the pool to get to it. Up here to the left, this is the swim up bar for adults only. Entry into one of the lower pools, which we will come back to. And then up here is another whirlpool hot tub. There's one just in the top of these rocks here. And when you're sitting in it, you have a view of the ocean, a view of some of the lower pools. A little hard to see through the trees, but the Tarzan pool rope swing is there. Here is one of the smaller slides. So all the pools are connected, and you take a slide, a series of slides from the very top all the way down to the lazy river area. So let's go and find the topmost pool. Talia will lead the way. So over here to the right, there is one of the slides that we'll go to in a second. Takes you to their little rapids area. This is the topmost pool. There is a hot tub at the far end of it. And let's see, we'll hop into this pool. I'm gonna go down the steps here. So here we go. We're gonna climb into this pool, and look, at the far end there is a water slide. Here comes Mommy and Talia. So now we're in the pool, and I'm gonna go down first and then wait for Talia to come to me. So nice, easy little short slide. Whee! And here comes Talia. Come on down.
On that one.
Was that fun or what?
That was a very scary one.
That was fun, right?
That was
Here comes Mommy.
That was a very scary one. I almost sunk.
So now that we've come down the slide over there, we're going to come down this slide at the other end of this pool to the next pool. So another little tiny slide. Whee! So there we are. Here comes Talia. And here comes Mommy.
Oh, here. Mommy, 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 mommy.
All right. And now that we've done that, we're gonna make our way to this one that's right over here. And that's gonna take us down to the rapids area of the slide complex. Here I go down this slide, so just so you get another perspective, there is the slide over there. Here is the slide over here. And here I go. Whee! All right, Talia, come on down. Well, there's Talia, and here comes Mommy.
That was a good catch.
And so this area is cool. It's like
this is fun.
kind of a rapids area. It's not really that intense. It's just a little fun theming. But there's ropes on the side to grab onto, and the current kind of takes you down.
Whoa! Whoa! There's rapids.
I think I felt a jet.
Me too.
There's even a fun little art statue over here. This is Mo'o. Now that we've come out of the rapids here, you can see the rapids here, and then the adult swim up bar is right there. I bonked into the wall behind me. So that's where we walked past the swim up bar before. Up there you can see the top of the handrail for that whirlpool hot tub that we showed you that was at the top of the rocks. We're gonna wait our turn to go down the Gorge Rapid Slide, which is the longest and fastest slide that's part of the pool system from top to bottom. But there's still the 2 tube slides that we will go down after this and after we go through the lazy river area. Looks like it's our turn to go, so here's what it looks like. Careful, because it sucks you down real quick. Ready? Here we go. Whee! Wow! That was so much fun. And here comes Mommy.
Good time,
So now that we've gone through that, we're gonna come through this lazy river over here. So there's different cabanas over here. Here we come. What did you think?
It was fun.
That was really cool. This is such a beautiful pool area, and it's so unique.
Yeah.
As we go through this lazy river, it does definitely push you a little bit, but it's not very strong. They do not have inner tubes in it. You can bring your own if you wish, but or you can purchase some, but it's really not necessary. I think the highlight are the slides, and the lazy river is more of just a way to travel at the end of the slides and not really meant for you to lounge in the same way that most lazy rivers are. But we actually, if you look past them, that's our cabana back there just underneath the bridge. So as we keep going, you'll see that right here, we can loop back around and that takes us to that cave whirlpool hot tub. Or we can go this way. This takes us to the bigger pool area where the volleyball net will be just around the corner over there. So there to the right again, that takes you to the whirlpool cave. And then over here, off in the distance, you can see the volleyball net. And right over here is the baby beach pool. So I think we're gonna hop out somewhere and go show you the two big slides. Let's keep going this way. Under the water, there are actually some mosaics throughout the pool that are really cool to look at and very nice art. In the big main pool with the volleyball net, there is a statue on a little island here in the middle. There's palm trees, and then there's this statue that's really cool. So here is the end of the white slide. Here is the end of the red slide. And here's where we're gonna get out and go walk up there. They just told us that the white slide we can take our camera down, but the red slide we are not allowed to. So we won't be able to show you the red slide, but we can show you the white slide. So let's go ahead and do that. Here next to the slide exits and by the stairs to go up, there is a 10-foot deep diving pool where they teach you how to scuba dive. And then if you wish to sign up for scuba lessons, there is a stand right here to do that. So they do, I think, free scuba lessons every day in this beautiful pool. And you can see that there are beautiful mosaics under this as well. Here we go up the slides. They are called the lava tube slide. Now that we're here at the top, the red slide is here on the left. And the white slide, they said, is here to the right. So we have made it back up to the topmost pool that's here in the pool slide area. So this is the one with the whirlpool right behind me there. And you can see that you can go down the slide to the next one down. The white slide is actually up here, which I guess is at the top of the water elevator that's not open. And you go up the stairs here and then you get to go down the slide. So here is the top of the water elevator. Let's see what you can actually see down there. Not much. And it would let you down here. Here I go down the slide. Here I go. Whee! All right, we're picking up speed. Whoa! Splashdown. All right, and Talia should be coming next. And here comes Mommy.
Hold on, Mommy.
That one was surprisingly fast and it's very narrow. So a lot of fun, but definitely more adventuresome than the other slide that's completely open air. Really cool, really fun, really fast, really exciting.
Now we are going to show you the hot tub in a cave.
It's right in here.
Oh, okay.
I feel like this was supposed to be a waterfall, but maybe it's not working anymore.
So here we are in the cave hot tub. It is really nice and warm. But you do have to go back into the cold water of the regular pools to get in and out of here, so that's a little tricky.
I did not join them in there because then you have to come back into the cold pool relative to the hot tub temperature. So now we're gonna make our way back to the cabana. One more thing I forgot to show you, and that is the Tarzan swing. So I'm gonna go down that right now and jump into the giant 8-foot deep pool. Here I go. What you see is what you get. That was a lot of fun.
We are all done with our amazing pool day here at the Grand Wailea Resort.
We had a lot of fun going down the slides. Obviously, we took you on a tour of everything, but after that tour, we just kept going down the slides and played around in the baby sand beach right behind us. Talia really loved that. Everything here was amazing. The service in the cabana was great. We just ordered some fries, but they kept coming around asking if we wanted anything. They kept replenishing our towels. The fruit tray was delicious. So I have no bad words to say about anything. It was just an amazing, wonderful, relaxing, fun pool day.
And you can't beat the gorgeous ocean views that you have here on Wailea. Thanks so much for joining us on our tour of the pool area at the Grand Wailea. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. We really appreciate that, and it helps us out a lot. And be sure to subscribe for even more content here on our Maui vacation.
And we hope we put you in a magical mood.